Hey, manufacturing founders struggling to find new leads. What if I told you AI could do the heavy lifting for you? Stick around and I'll share 5 game changing AI hacks that will supercharge your sales pipeline. Hi, I'm Tony Kunich, and I help manufacturing founders like you unlock new growth opportunities using cutting edge strategies. I'm the owner of Conic Digital and also the Scaling Founder YouTube channel. And I have been helping businesses for the last 20 years grow and scale. So, with AI transforming industries, there's no better time to let technology do the hard work for you in your business. Let's take a deeper look. So, the hack number 1 is AI powered lead scoring. Ever wasted hours chasing unqualified leads? AI tools like Zoom Info analyze your customer data and predict which leads are most likely to convert. Imagine focusing only on the hottest prospects. Hack number 2, personalized email campaigns with AI. Generic emails don't cut it anymore. Tools like ChatGTP or Jasper can craft personalized email campaigns tailored to each prospect's needs, increasing your open and response rates. The big word with email is show me that you know me. So let me share a quick success story. Meet Jake, the founder of a mid-sized manufacturing company specializing in custom machinery. Jake was spending hours crafting emails to potential clients, only to see minimal response. He was very frustrated and despondent. So he decided to give AI-generated emails a shot. Using tools like ChatGTP, he automated the creation of highly personalized emails tailored to each prospect's industry and pain points. For instance, instead of generic "we make machines," his AI crafted email highlighted specific benefits like our custom machinery helps reduce production time by 30% in the automotive sector. The result was Jake saw a 45% increase in email open rates and landed 2 new contracts in his first month. This small tweak saved him time and completely transformed his lead generation process. Now, hack number 3, chatbots to qualify leads 24/7. AI powered chatbots like Drift or Intercom can handle inquiries around the clock, qualified leads, and even schedule calls while you sleep. It's like having a sales assistant that never clocks. We have all of these hacks incorporated in our Scaling Founder CRM, but that's for another time. Hack number 4, predictive analytics for sales forecasting. So, if you want to stay ahead of the game, AI tools like Salesforce Einstein predict future sales trends, helping you focus on profitable opportunities and avoid dead ends. And then hack number 5 is social media listening with AI. AI tools like Hootsuite Insights analyze social media conversations to uncover potential leads talking about your industry. It's like eavesdropping ethically. Let's imagine this scenario. You're scrolling through your notifications when your AI-powered social listening tool like Hootsuite, Insights, or Brand24 sends you an alert. It flagged a tweet from a procurement manager at a food processing company that says, looking for a manufacturer who can create custom conveyor belts. Recommendations appreciated. Excited, you realize this is exactly what your company specializes in. Thanks to the AI tool, you didn't have to spend hours manually searching Twitter for such opportunities. You respond quickly with a tailored message showcasing your portfolio of conveyor belt solutions. Within days, you're on the call with a manager discussing a potential partnership. That's the power of AI-driven sales hacks, turning a single tweet into a valuable lead. Quick pause. If you're finding these tips helpful, why not book a call with me? We can dive deeper into how AI can transform your sales strategy. AI is no longer the future. It is the present, and it's here to help you grow your manufacturing business, to help you scale your business. Start small, pick one hack, and see the difference it makes. And hey, if you need extra guidance, book a call with me today. Let's make AI work for you. All the links are in the description. I'll see you in the next video and keep on scaling.